Road, running far from truth I should have known. You still carried all my burdens alone, even when I broke your heart at home. The ocean stood between our lives. You worked through pain and sacrifice. I never saw your sleepless nights, but now I see it in my eyes. And every step I take today was built upon the price you paid. Oh, Father, can you hear me crying? Your silent eyes still leave me dying. One more time before you fade. Now I hold my children in my arms and finally understand your heart, the way you love without a word, protecting me through all the hurt. Proud to stand beside you strong somehow, but sickness changed your weary soul and stole the strength I used to know. I'd trade the world for just one day to hear you laugh and call my name. Oh, can you hear me crying? Your silent eyes still leave me dying. I call your name, but there's no answer. My heart keeps breaking even harder. I pray to God to heal your pain, to let me hear your voice again. Oh, Father, my name just one more time before you fade. Remember every sacrifice, the love you gave throughout my life. And now beside your bed I stand, still reaching for your trembling hand. Even if your voice is gone, your love will keep me carrying on. And every prayer I send above is filled with gratitude and love. Oh, Father, though the night is cold